Welcome back to If It's Fruit.
It's sweet.
We're back up in the orchard and we just tied up this whole row. Just want to show you how nice this looks. That the girls tied up. Juliana ties the top, Hannah ties the bottom, and you can see how nice and straight they are. We've also started doing what's called pinning up the other branches. The whole idea behind this trellis is that we'll have a hedge like full of apples where you just pick the apples off the wires as they go along. So to do that, we have to do a thing. Well, let me have Juliana explain it. Juliana, so what are you going to do now?
Right now, I am going to pin up a branch. Make sure they're spread apart and so they aren't too close, otherwise they'll grow into each other. You spread it apart and you just clip it on. There you go.
With a clothespin. Great. And there's Hannah doing some there. Perfect. So let's watch you do a couple more.
Okay, Hannah, I have one.
And again, Juliana, just explain how the trees are tied up. They're tied with what?
They are tied to the trellis with rubber.
Okay. And how long is a piece of rubber do you use?
Well, it kind of depends. Like, if you have big, giant, kind of, you want to make it bigger. But it just depends what's easier for you to tie and what's just easiest for you.
Okay. Hannah's got the rest. Go and get some more from Hannah.
Hannah, can you bring the hair clip?
We can walk down. So how hot is it today there, Jules?
It's about 90 degrees.
Wow, that's hot.
Yep.
Okay, let's watch you do a few more. Here's a big tree here that's got a lot.
And you don't have to do every single branch, but the point of this is just the ones that are too big and need support.
Okay.
If it's not tall enough to go to this one, and it's more on the bottom, and it would work to do to the bottom one, go ahead and do that.
Okay.
It works just as well.
Great.
And that's not
Let's
tall
watch you do one more. Okay, do one more.
enough. I'm getting one.
These girls have been working real hard. They tied up this whole row of 100 trees in about an hour. And it's been pretty warm. So, that's it for putting the clothespins on the trees. There'll be about 4 or 5 for every tree. Eventually, maybe more. So that's 4 times 4,000. That's about 16,000 to 20,000 clothespins that we'll be pinning on these trees. And we'll keep moving those around as they grow. So, thanks for joining us, and join us next time for If It's Fruit.
It's sweet.